Yes, what are you up to? What are you up to, mister? Hey? What are you up to? Oh, yes, I know. I know. What else happened? Hey? Oh, really? Really? My goodness. Well, I never. Well, I never. Oh, little pickle. Aren't you? Aren't you, mister? Yes, you are. You are. Oh, really? Oh, goodness me. Goodness me. Bouncy, bouncy. Are we going to go out soon? Yeah? We're going to go and buy Otis birthday presents, aren't we? Yes, we are. You going to come with me? What do you think? What do you think? Do you think you're going to come? I think you are. I think you are. Good boy. Good boy. Oh.